Good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing the lab assignment 2 of human values. First, we have covered in earlier labs. Sorry, lab assignment 3. So, what is the lab assignment 3 is saying? I'm reading it out. Out of the basic requirements for the fulfillment of your aspiration, right understanding relationship, physical facility. Observe that how the problem in your life, in your family is related to each other, and also observe how much time and effort you devote for each in your daily routine. So students, uh, before doing this lab assignment, we have to understand some basic terms which we have discussed in our theory classes also, but just now I'm recalling it for you. So what is aspiration? A strong desire to achieve something high or great. So aspiration is what? Aspiration is what you want in your life. So in this question, in this particular question, you have to some basic requirements are there for fulfillment of your aspiration. Means you have some basic things which a person requires, and you have some aspirations as well. So how your aspirations are related to each other, and the second thing is right understanding. So what is right understanding? Right understanding starts by acknowledging the suffering and difficulties in the world around us as well as in our own lives. It tells us to touch what is really value inside to find what we really cares about. It tries to get a direct experience of something rather than relying on the opinion of others, not having preconceived ideas and not jumping to the conclusion. So this means that before taking to anything, we have to feel it. Uh, we have to directly experience it. We do not have to blindly believe on someone else, and we have to experience it according to our understanding, and that comes under the right understanding thing. So the next thing in this thing is the term relationship. So what is the relationship? Relationship means the family relationship, the relationship between the people in the society, in the world, in our family, in all. So relationship is actually brotherhood between all the persons around us. And the next thing is physical facility. So physical facility means any structure, fixed or movable, or for whatever kind and any part thereof used or intended to be used for. Are ease. That means the physical facilities are materialistic things which are giving us ease in the life to live. That means the suppose AC is our physical facility, like car is our physical facility, and like a bungalow is our physical facility. So all these things which are material, which can be purchased from the from money, is known as physical facilities, which are making our lives easy. It is also known as tangible personal properties. We can also say that all tangible things are which comes under the making our lives easy is known as physical facility. So our basic requirements in these reference we have to discuss, and we have to discuss in the first part that how the problem in our family is related to each other. That if you feel, if you see any problem in your family or in your surroundings, then you have to relate that the problem is due to right understanding, relationship, or physical facility. Due to lack of right understanding between your in your family or in your relationships, or it is due to your lacking of physical facility. The problem, what problem you encountered in your family is due is related to right understanding between your family members, or whether they are not giving importance to each other, the relationship is not good, or whether it is that we have not enough physical facility. So you have to relate the family problem with these three concerns. Okay, and the next part is this, that how much time and effort you devote this how much time and effort do you devote in your family in solving these problems in your daily routine. So we have to see that we have to see that ki what is our priority, what is our priority here, that we need physical facility, we need to solve the problems, we need to solve the problems between our relatives and our in our society and all our friends and family, uh, uh, or what we are targeting to, we are making our efforts in accumulating only the physical facility, or we are targeting to the relationships. So this we have to work out that what effort we are actually giving to and what effort and time we are giving to the physical facility, and what effort and time we are giving to building up a good and healthy relationship, a right understanding in our family, in society, and in our country. So this way you have to target this question and you have to answer it. Okay, so we'll be discussing in next lab. So thank you.